this is Physical Limits. Jessica, Amanda, and our ghost star. Our ghost star, Savannah, because you can't see her because she's behind the camera. You finally got your face in there.
It was in.
She's going to be seeing how many cartwheels she can do. Let's start.
Okay. Oh man, I'm not feeling confident anymore.
Come on, you got
Only
this.
did
Come on.
16.
Come on.
Okay. Gotta limber up. Okay.
Zombieland,
How was that? All right.
you got this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Do you hear something in the woods?
10, no,
I hear it!
11, just crickets,
Oh, it's not.
13, 14, 15, come on, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, that's all. Catch me. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, I can stand. Okay. How many was that? Do you remember?
There's something in the woods.
That's what I was saying. Into the sunset.
People get
Okay, I can't do it anymore. 16, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm dizzy!
I fell.
like,
And how would we induce it?
we have to do like, we're doing gymnastics.
Walk out dramatically.
I do.
Into the sunset.